Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to answer the crucial interview question, why do you want this job? This question can make or break your interview. Let's learn how to ace it, whether you're a fresher or an experienced professional. A strong answer demonstrates your genuine interest and how well you align with the company's values and the role's requirements. Avoid generic answers like, I need a job. This shows a lack of research and genuine interest. Don't focus solely on salary or benefits either. Now, let's break down the essential components of a compelling answer. Always start with thorough research. Understand the company's mission, values, recent achievements, and the specifics of the role. Clearly articulate how your skills, experience, and aspirations align with the job responsibilities and the company's goals. Your enthusiasm should shine through. Explain what specifically excites you about this opportunity and why it's a good fit for your career path. For those just starting out, here's how to craft your answer. Even with no direct experience, you have valuable transferable skills from academic projects, volunteer work, or other life experiences. Highlight these. Express your eagerness to learn and grow within the company. Mention how this role is a stepping stone for your career development. Show that you're ready to hit the ground running and contribute to the team's success from day one, even in a junior capacity. If you have a seasoned background, here's your approach. Discuss how this position aligns with your long-term career goals and represents a logical and exciting next step in your professional journey. Highlight specific achievements from previous roles and explain how those successes directly translate to value for this new company and role. Express your desire for new challenges and opportunities to apply your expertise in a fresh environment. Show you're ready to evolve. Often, why do you want this job is followed by why should we hire you? Let's combine them. Seamlessly transition from why you want the job to why you are the best candidate to fulfill their specific needs and solve their challenges. Quantify your past achievements and articulate the tangible value you can bring to the company. Use numbers, percentages, and metrics to demonstrate your impact. To summarize, preparing for this question is essential. Remember, every job and company is different. Always tailor your answers specifically to the role you're interviewing for and the company's culture. Practice your answers out loud until they feel natural and confident. Good luck with your interviews.